Kibra Cabinet Secretary 𝐄𝐚𝐬𝐭𝐥𝐞𝐢𝑠𝐡 Murkomen has reaffirmed the government's commitment to combating alcohol and drug abuse, promising a strengthened multi-agency approach to disrupt illicit supply chains and seal porous borders. He made the remarks while joining leaders and congregants at St. Francis Katanin Catholic Church in Mosop, Nandi County, where he also pledged support for the church's construction.
There are few characters wanaoperate hapa North Rift. Wanatoa hiyo pombe huko Uganda, wanaleta ethanol, wanakuja kwa adulterate, wanauzia watoto ya watu, wanaumia kwa mambo ya pombe, wanaharibu maisha yao, wanaharibu pia uzao wao, ndio wazikuwe na ukoo ya baadaye. Mimi, I want to say this, from the marching orders of the president, we have put together the team, na mtakuwa mnasoma tu kwa gazeti ni nini imefanyikia wale ambao wanafanya tabia kama hiyo.
Murkomen also announced plans to devolve civil registration services to all ID centers, ensuring easy access to birth certificates and other vital documents.
Make sure also you register yourself to vote, kwa sababu there are more people across Kenya who do not register to vote. It is important for you to make a decision in your country.
Away from that, ODM leader Oburu Odinga has urged members to transform the party into a truly national force. He called for grassroots registration drives and partnerships with like-minded parties to strengthen collective influence. Oburu also appealed to young people to acquire national ID cards and formally join ODM, emphasizing that the party's future depends on an organized and engaged youth base.
Mimi ninawaongoza, nataka nyinyi msiwe nje ya serikali 2027. Hakuna mtu ambaye anaunda chama kwa opposition. Sisi chama yetu ya ODM imekuwa kwa opposition kwa muda mrefu. Wale wengine pia wakina unawaita nani? Wale ule mtu wa Mirima anaitwa nani? Something. Pia aonje hiyo kidogo. Hajapata tear gas ya kutosha.
Homa Bay Governor Gladys Wanga echoed the call, insisting that ODM must safeguard its grassroots even while engaging in talks with other parties. She vowed to tackle corruption in nominations and ensure the party is fully prepared for the 2027 elections. Wanga emphasized that negotiations should prioritize ODM's core value, not just seat sharing, reflecting the vision of the late Raila Odinga.
Tunataka tuende ile Canaan ambayo baba alisema anatupeleka wapi? Canaan. Lazima tufikishe ile mwendo ya Canaan, kwa sababu baba alisema I have been to the mountain top, I have seen the glory land. I may not get there with you, but together, sema together.
In Kibra, Iyala Member of Parliament Winnie Odinga told residents that ODM belongs to the people and that no one will be expelled for asking questions. She dismissed claims that challenging party decisions should lead to removal, emphasizing that ODM thrives on accountability. Winnie reaffirmed that the party remains inclusive and rooted in the will of its members.
Baba hakuwa sycophant. Hakuna siku baba aliwahi kutuambia kwamba ametuacha hapa ama wafu ya wapi. Hakuna siku. Na wale wanasema ati sijui baba aliwaambia sijui nini ati. Hiyo ni kukosa adabu. Nyamazeni bwana. Hiyo ni kukosa adabu. Tulieni bana. Everything baba alikuwa anasema mbele ya watu wake.
Away from that, Kenya, Tanzania and Uganda will officially receive the AFCON flag in Rabat, Morocco, marking their joint recognition as host of the 2027 African Cup of Nations under the Pamoja bid. Sports Principal Secretary Elijah Mwangi reaffirmed the region's readiness, highlighting improved infrastructure, strong coordination and enhanced hosting capacity. Mwangi is leading a high-level delegation from the Ministry of Sports and the Football Kenya Federation on the benchmarking mission as the three countries prepare for the Continental Football Showcase.
It is a very great opportunity for Kenya, Tanzania and Uganda to showcase what we have as a country. We know we shall make it. We did it during CHAN. We did run, and we have support of CAF. The president is really supporting us. Our countries executive presidents, they are supporting us. We shall make it.
And that's it from the Eastleigh Voice News Desk. I'm Zainab Said.